thunderstorms likely in the evening, then partly cloudy after midnight. Lows in the lower 70s. Chances. The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Clarendon County in central South Carolina, east central Orangeburg County in central South Carolina, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Somerton, 413 miles southwest of Manning, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Somerton, Santee Cooper Regional Airport, Santee, Vance, Hot Springs, Indian Bluff Recreation Park, St. Paul, Davis Station, Rocks Pond Campground and Marina, Blount's Landing, Mill Creek Marina and Campground, and Preston. This includes Interstate 95 between mile markers 97 and 115. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Severe thunderstorms can produce large capsizing waves and frequent lightning. If on or near Lake Marion, move away from the water and take shelter. The severe thunderstorm warning for